Ang among Easter eggs na among gibutangan og chocolate. Daddy will hide it. Napay carrots. Carrots. Look at this is the special one. Go open it.
What's the special one?
Look. See.
Wow.
Ooh, lot chocolate, huh?
It will be.
Daddy put lots of chocolate.
It's a ticket. We don't want
No, this is for tomorrow. Easter eggs. Butangan na ni amahan ng mga chocolate. Mga chocolate pang butang ni amahan.
Backwards S.
That's the correct S. At manili pang butang ni amahan. Oh. Mga Reese's, KitKat, o Kisses. Mga sulod sa ilang Easter egg. Kay darian na lang ni mag Easter egg hunting sa balay kay tomorrow ulan ba yan. Unang na sila kalingaw pangita.
4, 5, 6,
Uy, a lot of eggs. Oy!
8, 6, 1, 2,
How many yours?
8. Okay, I'm gonna wonder what's this. So I can't be one.
Wow! Hala! Lot kay Ezekiel. Ay! Uy! 14? Oh, that's a lot of eggs, Manila. Big one.
One of my eggs are lost now.
Lost. Cheese here, Siki. Cheese. Happy siya siyang egg, oy. Oh, Matthias got some too. He keep man giving good to Ezekiel.
1, 2,
He's a giver.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12!
You got 12.
I think Ezekiel 14, he said.
Ezekiel, you
I
said
think 13.
13?
14.
Oh.
Here,
No,
that way you can split them. Okay, go ahead and eat your eggs.
And they got their basket from
You
their
can
Auntie
eat one
Jenny,
egg each
Elmo.
right now.
And who's this? Monster? Cookie Monster? I don't know when the Sesame Street character. They have an Easter basket.
Aw, this is a...
I love these ones.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.